It might seem simple to purchase the best water purifier. However, choosing one might be difficult given the many elements to consider and the variety of purifiers available. We are researching many water purifiers, then only the best water purifier pellets are listed. A wide selection of the best water purifiers is available from reliable companies like those listed here. So select the best water purifier for your home and power your way to better health. So let's get started and enjoy this video. Number 1. Santevia Gravity Water Purifier. Santevia water filters add essential minerals like calcium, magnesium and potassium to create water that's healthier for you. Support your optimal health and love your body from the inside out with clean and mineralized water. The Santevia Gravity Water System reduces hazardous chemicals found in tap water like chlorine, pharmaceuticals, and fluoride as well as heavy metals like lead. Create cleaner, pure-tasting water with our BPA-free gravity water system. Santevia filters first reduce impurities from water and then add back healthy essential minerals to create pure and mineralized water. Santevia water filters raise the pH of your water by up to +2.0 units, creating a smooth and silky taste. By increasing the alkalinity, resistance to acid, of your water, you support your body's ability to fight unhealthy acidity. Number 2. Bluevua RO100 ROPOT Reverse Osmosis Water Filter. Simply plug this portable piece of tech into any power source and you're ready to fill it up and go. Better yet, the water container is constructed of high borosilicate glass carafe instead of the traditional plastic, reducing the risk of secondary pollution and making this one of the best countertop water filter systems. Water system automatically enters power-saving standby mode when not in use to reduce power consumption. Leftover water from a cycle isn't deemed wastewater, so more water is saved to use for various household purposes. 4 levels of filtration are utilized to ensure the purest water possible. 99.9% of all possible contaminants are filtered out so you can confidently drink your own tap water. The countertop water filters last for a long time, between 12 to 24 months, to provide 1 to 2 years of clean drinking water before needing replacement. Filters are also designed to help save water with an impressive 2-to-1 pure-to-drain ratio. Monitor display shows the service life of filters and water quality so you can easily keep track of filter replacement and periodically switch out filter tubes. Number 3. SimPure Y7 Countertop Reverse Osmosis Purifier. Against NSF, ANSI 58, EPA 537 and GB T 5750 standard. Converts your tap water, well water, TDS less than 500 ppm, into pure and healthy drinking water by removing 99.99% of the 1,000 plus contaminants including viruses, bacteria, chemicals, PFOA, PFOS, pharmaceuticals, heavy metals, lead, arsenic, chlorine, TDS, fluoride, nitrates, nitrites, and etc. Say goodbye to the hidden dangers of tap water and eliminate the need to purchase bottled water for your home. Use no chemicals and emits absolutely no byproducts, effectively destroying 99.99% of microorganisms, bacteria, germs. More thorough sterilization from your water. SimPure UV Purification System combined with 3 stages RO filtration system can take water purification to another level. Taste the difference. Plug in and you'll have purified water right away. 1 full set of quick changing twist and seal filters come included. Get rid of the troubles caused by complicated installation and filter replacement. Compared to traditional under-sink filtration, SimPure Y7 PW free from water source and space constraints, you can place and move SimPure water purifier to anywhere with power supply available. Perfect for kitchen, bedroom, office, lobby, outdoor RV, etc. 4-to-1 pure-to-drain, highest water utilization rate of the RO system on the market. Using the recycling multi-filtration technology can save your water up to 1,500%. You will get a cup of purified water in about 15 seconds by the faster dispense flow rate, 418 GPD. No more wasting money on bottled water, and you'll be doing your part to save the planet.